Yo. This is Boom&Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial markets. So welcome back again to another edition of our Boom&Crash Awesome Spike strategy series. So let's dive in now. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way of how to make $300 daily trading the Boom&Crash. You'll make $300 daily trading the Boom&Crash. You can see I have a trade running. Currently, I have 4 trades running. This one reading 800 pips. This one reading 650 pips. This one reading 640 pips. This one is reading 412 pips, gallantly trading the Boom 1000 index. So if you want to get this kind of result, you want to achieve this kind of result, kindly follow me in this video so that I can be able to understand exactly what we are going to discuss today. So let's dive in now. So in today's video, I have jotted some things for you here so that you can be able to understand what we have here. So number one, if you want to achieve the same result as I am currently achieving, you need to have a strategy. That's number one. I'm going to talk more about the other two. The second, which in this case we are using the magic bomb strategy. Number three, what you are going to learn in this video, you are going to learn trend following or continuation pattern signals in trigger. That's the second one. The third one is risk to reward. I think it should be 1:3 at least RR. 1:3 RR. So these are what we are going to cover in this video. So let's start with the first one. For you to be able to have this kind of trading result, you need to make sure you have a trading strategy. So in this video, we are going to use the Boom&Crash Magic Bomb Spike strategy, a freemium strategy dedicated to any Boom&Crash trader that want to catch spikes on Boom&Crash. It's a premium strategy though, but you can be able to check some review on it. You can check my last video. This is my last video. You can be able to go and check on this video and you get exactly what you want. So we are using magic bomb strategy in this case. So number two, you need to understand after you have gotten a working strategy. If you have a working strategy, fine. If you don't have a working strategy, kindly check on my YouTube channel. I have a serious and dedicated Boom&Crash trading strategies that you can use. So if you have a strategy, I assume you have a trading plan which you are going to be executing your trades according to the strategy, and you have some few guidelines to be able to understand about the strategy. So you can see the second on the list is trend following or continuation pattern signals entry trigger. So simply, what is entry trigger? Entry trigger is simply the last confirmation you need to have in order to execute your trade. That's entry trigger. The last thing you need to consider or to do before you buy or sell your trades. That is what it means by entry trigger. Then what is your signals to take your trades? So since I'm using the almighty Boom&Crash Magic Bomb Spike strategy, a special strategy dedicated to all Boom&Crash traders, so you need to make sure you have what? An entry trigger. So in this case, we are going to talk about this pattern structure I observed on the daily chart on the Boom 1000 index, which you can see we are using, even though we have the strategy put in place, but we are still using our trend lines to capture our trends correctly. So we have a buy positions from here for the last 3 months. We have been following the market since when we have this double bottom here structure. Market goes, form a high here, retest down, go up again, form another high, come down to retest that previous high, and continue heading up. We have been holding this trade, this first entry, it has been here since on the 30th of April for about almost 3 months now. This one almost 2 months, this one almost 2 months, this one almost 2 weeks. This is just a buy entry order I get. You can check the date 9/07, excuse me, you can check the date 9/07. That's the exact date I took this second signal, and it was another buy order after market has retraced. We are following the trend, the same signal we use. Well, this is, let me show you in my VIP group so that I can be able to detect the signals accordingly. I gave this same signals that is reading 400 pips plus. I gave this signal in my VIP group. We have a dedicated VIP group where I give them every details of all our trading activities in our community. You can see this is our dedicated boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy. You see on the 7th of July, is it 9th? Yes, on the 9th. This is the signal confirmation. This is the last confirmation. You see on the 7th, this is the signal. This is the signal. I told my VIP members that I buy again, very risky trade, lower risk trade reward, but I'm scaling. That's why I took the trade. I have over 2 running profit position with same index. That's why I'm gaining. So you see the market started with 2 pips profit and the market continues. So what you need to understand, for those that are not in my VIP group, please, some people will come and start DM me to give them settings or to give them take profit and stop loss. If you are not in my VIP group, I will not be able to reply all your chat. Remember, a lot of people chat me all the time. That's why I ask you and advise you to join my VIP group where you are going to pay some token so that I'll be able to give myself time, do the analysis for you, and share everything, every details in my Telegram group. Example here, you can see I'm currently having some few trades here. You can see this is another one. Market has started going down, but despite I have some few trades, I still see a buy signal, and I give the signal in my VIP group, and we are cashing the 5s together. You can see this is the buy order we have here. Market pushed down for a corrective move, so market is trying to make a very high move. So look at it. So it's the same trade we have been doing up till date. Even yesterday I told them Bragg has broken our upward trend line channel. Look at it here. This is the free, let me show you on the main chart. This is the free bear resistance that was broken. This was the pre-bear resistance where this trend line finishes, but market was able to break it higher again. So market is meeting another strong resistance here, which is the previous breakout. This was the previous breakout. So this is the previous resistance is acting as support now. So we are going to wait and see what the market will do. Market will either break these highs and continue going up for a very long trend. I think I will make a dedicated video on this next move on Boom 1000 index, because Boom 1000 index is going to move at least 1000 pips up again. So I can't wait to get this spike, because if market breaks above this high, this market will be targeting this high, this level. So you see it's around 2200 pips on Boom 1000 index if this market breaks above these highs. That's the final market structure I'm currently seeing on Boom 1000 index. The trend is still uptrend. The trend is still uptrend. If you check the higher time frame, this trend is still uptrend. You can see. Just let's go to monthly chart. You see, this is it. Market has broken above these highs. Let's see it break again. The market has got a broken level around this area, which is a breakdown, but market is still retesting this previous support, which is acting as a strong support for this area. So this market will still push up higher, probably targeting any of these highs to be able to retest it before it continue the move. So Boom 1000 is technically bullish, and I remain bullish on Boom 1000 index. I'm going to give you details of all these trades that are currently running here. But you can see we can take some few profits here because market has reached a basic point where it needs to drop small. You can see some few trades. You see there are 2 rejections. So market need to drop at this level. Previous resistance that was broken, which is now acting as support for this market. So we are going to wait and see how it will be. But definitely this market need to retest this area. Definitely. So that's why I told you, you need to have a good strategy. If you don't have a good strategy, all these things you may not be able to understand them. And if you don't know how to do technical analysis on Boom and Crash, kindly comment. If I have like 100 people or 200 people commented of I want technical analysis on Boom and Crash, I'm going to create a very nice technical analysis on Boom and Crash videos for you regularly on this channel. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video, share this video with your loved ones so that I can be able to catch the green fips together. You can see I'm currently running a profit here. And you can see this trade is still over 400 pips plus in tight, currently trading gallant. You see, it's currently trading over 2,000, almost over 400 pips plus. So that's what you should understand. So after you trend following signal, so the trend following signal I'm talking about here is always try and make sure you follow the market. When the market is in an uptrend, you look for a buy signal, something like here. Market is in an uptrend, we have a buy signal here and we push the market upward, which is why we have this last entry and the second to the last entry. Always look for buy signal in an uptrend and sell signal in a downtrend in form for the case of Crash 1000, because this strategy is technically for catching spikes. So we only catch spikes on Boom 1000 and catch spike for sell in Crash 1000 index. So these are the few things we have and you need to understand. So if you have any question on this video, please don't forget to ask me in the comment section and I'll be able to answer your question or make a new video for you with respect to your question before the next 24 hours. So let's dive in. So you should also need to have risk to reward ratio of 1:3 for this awesome result to get from you, or for you to get this kind of result. What I mean by that is that anytime you are taking a buy signal, make sure if you are risking 1 pip, your reward is 3 pips. If you are risking 2 pips, your reward is 6 pips. You are risking 3 pips, your reward is 9 pips. Always make sure you have at least 1:3 risk to reward ratio for you to be able to take your trade, have your move go well. This is Boom&Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help all struggling traders outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. Nice to have you now. And let's forget, in my next video, I'm going to talk about that one move you need to catch for this boom one. You don't need to miss this move. You don't need to miss it, because it will be a strong move for this Boom 1000 index to go from as high as this level 10,359 to 12,120, which is over 2,200 pips. So in my next video, I'm going to give you a full analysis of the technical structure around this move, and we're also going to have a top-down analysis for this awesome trading strategy. So if you have any value in this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I upload a new video like this, so that I'll be able to be among the first people that are going to be making money with this awesome strategy. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video, where I'm going to talk about the technical market structure of current market move on Boom 1000 index now for the week ending 14th July 2023. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.